Howdy! Welcome to Elora Arana Edward's vodcast concerning the Professional Geoscientist, or PG, certification. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the qualifications and procedures necessary to become a certified professional geoscientist in Texas. As far as getting certified goes, you must start with the organization responsible for granting the certification. The Texas Board of Professional Geoscientists, or TBPG, handles certifications for the state of Texas. Currently, there are no known national or international entities for certification. Other individual states and territories, however, including Ontario, Canada, Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana, all recognize and grant their own version of these certifications in their states as well. With all the certifications in this particular field, one may ask if this certification is required or just supplemental. The PG certification is voluntary with the exception of any individual practicing geoscience or offering to perform geoscience work to the public, state, or local government entities. Geoscience work includes anything dealing with geology, geophysics, and/or soil science. Practicing professionals offering to perform this type of work must be certified as a PG. To obtain this certification, you must have a 4-year degree in geology, geophysics, or soil science, including 30 semester hours in geoscience, 20 of which must be upper level in one of the specific disciplines. To get certified, an individual must pass the licensing exam for their specified field of geoscience. The ASBOG is for geologists, the Texas Geophysics exam is for geophysicists, and the CSSE is for soil scientists. After passing the exam, an individual becomes a GIT or geoscientist in training, where they will have to work for 5 years under another professional geoscientist or professional engineer to gain qualifying work experience. In addition to these exams, applicants must also include a minimum of 5 reference letters, 3 of those being professional references from the PGs or PEs that the individual has worked under, and 2 being personal references, a $255 application fee, and initial PG application, academic transcripts, and verification of any other geoscience license held must be also submitted before an individual can be certified in the state of Texas. The Texas State Legislature established a licensure program in 2001 to define basic experience and educational requirements that all licensees must meet to protect the public and the licensed profession from unqualified and unethical practitioners of the profession. This was created under the Texas Geoscience Practice Act of 2001. Governmental and regulatory agencies such as the TCEQ and EPA, private environmental and engineering consulting firms, and energy industry regulatory departments are likely to favor individuals with this certification, especially if they are specializing in remediation and environmental management. The energy industry is interested in this certification for monitoring of groundwater resources, engineering practices, and mining and drilling areas. In order to maintain licensing, the individual must pay the annual renewal fee of $223 and complete 15 hours of continuing education activity annually. The board may establish other renewal requirements as needed. Some other interesting facts about geosciences in the state of Texas are that 30% of geoscientists nationally are found in Texas. This is due to the prominence of geologic activity in the state. 26% of these geoscientists work in the oil and gas extraction industry. The median salary is typically over $90,000 a year. The Texas Board of Professional Geoscientists currently licenses approximately 4,700 PGs, 360 geoscience firms, and 40 GITs in the state of Texas. For this project, we found over 90% of our information directly from the Texas Board of Professional Geoscientists website. We also consulted with Mr. Kenneth Tram, a BESC board member and professional geoscientist, about how he got certified and what the process is like. We used the Bureau of Labor and Statistics website to determine the average salary for geoscientists currently. Thank you for taking an interest in learning about how to become a certified professional geoscientist. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks and gig 'em.